What if typing names online could earn you up to $100 a day? What a wonderful idea! This is the way it works. By merely inputting one word or one name, like Samuel, you can get money. When you enter a different name, you get paid again. What a wonderful opportunity this is. This is the maximum amount of money you can make. When typing names, you can earn $15 for every page, $75 for 5 pages in a day. The best aspect is that there are no restrictions on this chance. You can type as much as you want and earn as much as you want. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The potential earnings from this exceptional opportunity are something we are aware of. Pay particular attention to rate per word, which displays the potential earnings for each word you enter, and in this case is 5 cents. On one page, there will be about 300 words, like in the case of this name typing project. These are all on the first, second, and third pages. You will be paid just for entering names on any of these sites. I'll demonstrate this page, where you can get $15 for 300 words of writing. You can scroll down below and discover that there are 300 names in total. Entering a name on this website will earn you $15 for each page. By entering names on our website, you can easily make between $400 and $500 per day, assuming that each page costs $15 and that we can receive up to 20 pages per day. Learn how to earn money online from home without investing a dollar by going to talentdesire.com. There is no cost to take advantage of this offer or to start. By scrolling down below, you can see that they offer a range of opportunities to work from home, including online paid surveys, freelance blogging, language translation, and online proofreading assignments, among many other tasks that you may complete. We're going to focus on online typing jobs in this video because it's one of the simplest things you can perform on this website. It doesn't call for any IT knowledge or experience. When an online typing job appears, select Read More. There are no joining costs, no additional fees before or after joining, and no investment requirements at any time, as you can see from the Joining Fees section. Everyone is eligible for this chance, which is free. Depending on your ability level, from novice to expert, you will be paid at different rates. I'll give you an extra tip that will help you make more money while still getting paid at an expert level, even if you are a total newbie. Clicking this yellow button will bring you to this page, where you may begin typing on your computer or smartphone. Press the Start Typing button, which is yellow. DataType will provide you with a certificate for free in exchange for doing this speed typing test, so I want you to do it. In this video, I'll show you through each step of how to get this certificate for nothing at all. You need a typing certificate because it will boost your paper page rates and income. If you want to be paid $15 for each page you type, get this certificate. You can get accepted much more quickly if you have this certificate to show that you can type. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And press the bell icon for more updates.